Okay, so here is Google Drive. To create a Google Doc, you click New, and then you go to Google Docs, which will take you to this new document. You can change the document name by going right here and clicking Untitled Document, and you can erase it and do whatever you want. You can type ECI 201, whatever you want, and it'll save it. And then you can type whatever you want to in the document, and it'll save that as well automatically. And then, it's automatically saved in your drive, so you don't have to worry about saving it. So as soon as you are done typing it, it will save in your drive, and you can also do many other things with it. That's how you create a Google Doc.